Hello everybody, Dr. Matt here, hopping on to record a video. And this video I was inspired to record based off of frequently asked questions that we get in the bays. And it's not uncommon for us to hear this at least once a day, multiple times a week. And you may have asked this question at one point yourself. And this question is, what is the pop, click, or crack noise that I hear during an adjustment? Now, this noise that you hear is a release of carbon dioxide, oxygen, and nitrogen gas. There's fluid that coats and surrounds all of your joints and air bubbles around the area as well. And it's when these air bubbles burst that cause the pop or click noise to happen during an adjustment. Now, is a pop, click, or a crack requirement? There are techniques in chiropractic where there is no bending, popping, twisting, or cracking, and adjustment has occurred, just as there are techniques where you most definitely can hear and feel a pop or a crack happen. Now, the goal from an adjustment is not to make sounds in your joints or to turn your spine into a musical symphony. The goal is to help open up the joint spaces, restore normal motion back into the spine, and allow the nerves to be able to better freely communicate to the different parts of the body. Because we know when the body is able to function at its best, it is able to heal better as well. When we're able to keep the spine adjusted and allow the nerves to be able to communicate to the different cells, tissues, organs, muscles, and joints better, this will allow your body to be able to heal and feel better. Now, remember also, 7% of your nervous system is what tells you whether or not you have pain. The other 93% is function. As we do care about how much that you feel better, we also want to be sure that you function and heal better at the cellular level too.